The 2015 BAC Craft Award for Best Rain Screen Project is presented to Administrative District Council 1 of Illinois for their work on the theater school at DePaul University in Chicago. The 175,000 square foot steel structure is dressed in Limra limestone that was quarried in Turkey and given a honed finish. The cladding complements that of the other buildings on campus, while also providing high flexural and compressive strength to the large-sized panels. It sits upon a base of Luna Pearl granite to withstand impact and salt. The stone was installed with the ESW carrier system manufactured by E-Clad, providing a weather-tight structure months before the stone units were installed. With a gold LEED certification and facade that glows invitingly at night, the building puts the entire process of theater education on stage for the world to see.
That's right. Here to accept for Best Rain Screen Project, our Administrative District Council 1 of Illinois President Jim Allen and Business Representative Bruce Nagel, and representing W.R. Weiss Company, please welcome Vice President Peter Weiss and Senior Project Superintendent, Local 21 member Tim Kearns.